What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to quickly talk about the JP Morgan Reserve Card. I believe I talked about this way back when. I seen a video, literally, I think this is a video that got me started on YouTube with Graham Stephan going over the $10 million card. I wanted to talk about the JP Morgan Reserve Card and give you some of the details here, or all of the details, and break it down a little bit. Obviously, I don't have it. I don't have any Chase cards, which is crazy. So first, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Also check out some of the credit card links that does help out the channel. Now, JP Morgan Reserve, a lot of people call this the $10 million card, and some people don't know why. Basically, you need $10 million in assets with JP Morgan in order to apply for this card, or not apply for it, but get invited for this card. This is an invite-only credit card, just like the Black Card, so you'll get an invite when you're worthy, basically. And for good reason. You really don't want to apply for a card that has a $595 annual fee, right? Business Platinum card. So they basically take their time to be able to invite you to understand that you're worthy for this card, just like the Black Card. But here are some of the details of the JP Morgan Reserve Card. So you get 3 times on travel worldwide immediately after you use your $300 travel credit. That is the next perk. Obviously, you have a $300 travel credit that you can use. It's a very broad definition of travel. Just like the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card, you do get 3 times points for every dollar spent at restaurants, 1 times on everything else. You can also get comprehensive travel insurance coverage, including trip cancellation, interruption insurance, primary rental car insurance, priority pass lounge access. You get a $100 statement credit for TSA PreCheck and global entry. You can also get a complimentary Dash Pass subscription for DoorDash and complimentary year of Lyft Pink. You also get access to VIP events and experiences hosted by Chase, special benefits at luxury hotels and resorts, and 0% foreign transaction fees. Now, the good thing about this card is that you can transfer these points to 13 different airlines and hotel partners, which they have a full list if you wanted to go check that out. Basically, this is going to give you the option to redeem your points for a lot more depending on what you redeem them for. So if you redeem them for maybe hotel or airfare, you can get 2 cents or 3 cents per point instead of getting the normal 1 cent per point. But obviously people love this card and they love to talk about this card. The weight that it holds, I'm talking about physical as well as emotional. You look at the weight of that card, it's 27 grams. It's a heavy card. Anybody that you hand it to, you're gonna basically see the reaction like this is a really heavy card. Now, if we talk about emotional, you know that you have a card that nobody has. It's a card that holds a lot of weight in itself just by the name. And obviously, it has its perks to it. It's not just a card to hold. That would suck if you did pay $595 of an annual fee and then you basically get nothing from it. So this card gives you a lot of value. I like this card. I would love to be able to get invited for this card. Same with the Black Card, but I can't really justify spending that much money on a credit card right now. I still want to go for the Platinum Card, but I haven't done that yet, the American Express Platinum Card. But the Reserve Card obviously holds a lot of weight in people's eyes. And if you can get invited for it, it's not something that's going to break your pockets like the Black Card. Like, you're paying thousands of dollars in annual fees for the Black Card. But this, you're actually paying something that's sort of reasonable compared to the upper tier cards that are from Chase, from Amex, and from Citi as well. So it gives you a lot of value that you're normally into, and a little bit of extra VIP access, a little bit of extra premium access here. So in my opinion, this is a really good card. Obviously, you can't go out and apply for it, but it is something that you can look forward to getting. If that's something that's in your mind, it'll tell you, hey, you know what? I should invest in JP Morgan. I should put my money, all of my assets into JP Morgan and find a way to get to this point. That could be one of my goals for maybe a 5-year, 10-year mark or whatever. Once you hit your first million, then obviously continue to push to get your second million, third million, fourth million, up to your $10 million dollar amount. And then you can get this JP Morgan Reserve Card. And like I said, it's not something that's going to break the bank or break your pockets. It's something that's considered kind of like a normal card, just a really premium invite only normal card. So let me know what you think about the JP Morgan Reserve Card. Do you feel as though it's worth it to take all of this risk and put all of your money into JP Morgan? Or do you feel like you could just go with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card or the Amex Platinum card and just have a better day and a better life, not worrying about whether you're going to get invited for this card or not? Let me know what you think about it. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below, credit card links, Webull, everything that you could possibly check down there. It does help out the channel, all of the links. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.